to 1 plus 2 raised to minus 1, the whole upon 2 raised to 2000 again, 2 raised to 0 minus 2 raised to minus 2. Now this gets cancelled, 2 raised to 2000. So problem becomes simpler now. So now the problem becomes 2 raised to 1 plus 2 raised to minus 1 upon 2 raised to 0 minus 2 raised to minus 2. That much. Now we'll convert this minus 1 to plus 1 and minus 2 to plus 2. It is 2 raised to 1 means 2 only, plus 1 upon 2, right, upon this 2 raised to 0 is 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to 2, right. 2 raised to minus 2 becomes 2 raised to 2. Now again solve this. So this becomes 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 upon 2, and this 2 square becomes 4. We'll solve this also now. So numerator becomes 5 upon 2 and denominator 4 1 the 4 minus 1, 3 upon 4, right. So what is now A upon B, the whole upon C upon D equals to AD upon BC. So this expression becomes what? 5 upon 2 below into 4 upon 3, right, AD upon BC. So just solve this, you get 20 by 6, that is 10 by 3. That is the required answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. These are useful to you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those on a daily basis and you'll learn all the tables, squares and cubes within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.